Welcome to Simply Software. Today we're asking the big question: is an AI native IDE the future of coding? I ditched VS Code for 1 week to find out. We all know the reality: endless code, debugging that feels like forensics, and the constant pressure to ship faster. But what if AI was the foundation of your IDE, not just an add-on? Let's break down if productivity actually scales. The problem with VS Code is that while it's best in class, AI was bolted on after the fact. This creates friction, constant context switching, limited understanding of your full codebase, and extension sprawl. AI native IDEs aim to embed AI at the core to eliminate these inefficiencies. I chose Cursor IDE. It's built on VS Code, but the philosophy is different. Everything is AI assisted by default. Because it's built on VS Code, the adoption friction is minimal. But unlike extensions, Cursor integrates AI deeply, right into the core of your coding workflow. Key capabilities include inline AI chat directly in your code, full function generation, AI-driven debugging, and deep project-wide context awareness, meaning no more copy-pasting code fragments. Let's dive into the demos, starting with how fast we can scaffold a new feature. I gave it a complex prompt: generate a Node.js authentication service with Express, JWT, registration, login, and refresh tokens. The result? A working scaffold in seconds. A quick follow-up prompt: add joy validation. Cursor instantly refactors the entire service, ensuring robustness without me manually touching every route. Next, let's see how Cursor handles existing, tricky code with debugging and complex refactoring. When I encountered a type error, I prompted, "This endpoint throws a type error. Diagnose and fix." Cursor pinpointed the issue, explained the root cause, and provided the corrected implementation immediately. For complex legacy code, I asked, "Explain this function simply." Then, refactor for readability and efficiency. Cursor delivered clean, maintainable code with clear rationale for the changes. After 1 week, what was the net result? Productivity scaled materially. I found feature scaffolding was 2 to 3 times faster. Debugging shifted from guesswork to guided solutions, and the learning curve was flattened instantly due to the strong context awareness. However, there are limitations. Occasional AI hallucinations mean mandatory review, there's latency on complex prompts, and full value requires a paid subscription. So, who is Cursor IDE best suited for? It's best for developers optimizing for velocity, teams dealing with complex code bases, and engineers looking to significantly reduce cognitive load. The pros are deep AI integration and massive efficiency gains. The cons are the cost, potential AI inaccuracies, and internet dependency. For me, the ROI is clear. This is a force multiplier. AI native IDEs are the direction of travel for software engineering. Cursor changed how I build, and it likely will for you too. Drop your experience in the comments. Like, subscribe to Simply Software, and enable notifications. Until next time, execute fast and ship smart.